Do you dream of exploring the world in style, indulging in unforgettable experiences, but worry it might cost a fortune? Well, guess what? You can absolutely have a luxurious vacation without breaking the bank. This channel is your one-stop shop for travel hacks that help you experience the finer things in life, even on a budget. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the world of affordable luxury travel. Hit that subscribe button and join the adventure. 1. Travel during the off-season. Traveling during the off-season is a smart strategy to experience a touch of luxury on a budget. Tourist destinations are significantly cheaper during shoulder seasons, spring or fall, compared to their peak times. This translates to better deals on flights and accommodations, allowing you to stretch your budget further. The added bonus is you'll encounter fewer crowds, making exploring more enjoyable. You might even stumble upon hidden gems like local festivals or events that wouldn't be on your radar during peak season. So ditch the peak crowds and embrace the off-season for a more affordable and potentially more enriching travel experience. The bonus of traveling during the off-season: fewer crowds. Imagine exploring popular landmarks or museums without feeling shoulder to shoulder with everyone else. You might even discover hidden gems or local festivals that wouldn't be on your radar during peak season. So embrace the off-season for a more affordable, potentially more enriching, and definitely less crowded travel experience. 2. Embrace public transportation. Ditch the expensive taxis and rideshares and consider embracing public transportation. This budget-friendly option allows you to experience a destination like a local. Trains, buses, and ferries not only get you where you need to go, but they also offer a glimpse into the daily rhythm of the city. Many cities even have affordable day passes for unlimited rides, making it a cost-effective way to navigate. Plus, you might find yourself chatting with friendly locals or discovering hidden neighborhoods you wouldn't have seen otherwise. So put on your walking shoes, hop on a bus, and embrace the adventure of public transportation. Public transportation is often the most convenient and affordable way to navigate a new city. Many destinations offer affordable day passes for unlimited rides, allowing you to explore freely without worrying about constantly hailing cabs or deciphering confusing fare structures. Plus, you might find yourself striking up conversations with friendly locals or discovering hidden neighborhoods you wouldn't have stumbled upon otherwise. So, lace up your walking shoes, grab your reusable water bottle, and hop on a bus. Embrace the adventure of public transportation. You might just surprise yourself with the hidden gems you discover and the connections you make along the way. 3. Prioritize experiences over souvenirs. When it comes to luxury travel on a budget, focus on creating memories rather than filling your bags with souvenirs. Sure, a keychain or fridge magnet might spark a memory for a moment, but investing in unique experiences is what truly elevates a trip. Imagine the thrill of a hot air balloon ride, the satisfaction of learning to cook a local dish in a cooking class, or the awe of exploring a historical landmark. These immersive experiences will leave you with a rich tapestry of memories you'll treasure long after your souvenirs gather dust at home. So spend your precious budget on experiences that will engage your senses and broaden your horizons, making your trip truly luxurious. 4. Stay in boutique hotels or apartments. For a budget-friendly touch of luxury, consider ditching the large chain hotels and opt for boutique hotels or apartment rentals. Boutique hotels, often smaller and more intimate, can offer a personalized experience with unique decor and amenities at a price point that might surprise you. They often cater to a specific style or theme, making your stay feel special. If you crave even more independence and local flavor, consider renting an apartment. This gives you the flexibility to prepare your own meals in a kitchen, potentially saving on dining costs. Imagine cozy evenings spent unwinding in your home away from home after a day of exploring. While boutique hotels provide more services, apartments offer a more immersive local experience, allowing you to truly feel like a resident. 5. Take advantage of free activities. You don't need to spend a fortune to have a luxurious experience in a new city. Many destinations boast a wealth of free activities and attractions that can fill your days with fun and cultural immersion. Explore the beauty and history of a place by visiting museums on free admission days, which are often offered once a week or month. Public parks and gardens offer green havens for picnicking, reading, or simply people watching. Immerse yourself in the local culture by attending free festivals, street performances, or cultural events. A little research beforehand can reveal hidden gems like free walking tours or talks led by local experts. By taking advantage of these free options, you can have a rich and rewarding experience without breaking the bank, leaving more room in your budget for those special splurges. 6. Dine like a local. Ditch the overpriced tourist traps and dive into the real flavors of a city by dining like a local. Skip the restaurants with flashy menus aimed at tourists and seek out hidden gems frequented by residents. This is where you'll discover the city's authentic cuisine, the dishes enjoyed by everyday people. These local haunts often offer more generous portions and better value for your money. Do some research beforehand, using review sites and apps to find restaurants with good local reputations. Embrace the atmosphere and ask friendly staff for recommendations on their specialties. By dining like a local, you'll not only tantalize your taste buds with delicious and affordable food, but you'll also gain a deeper understanding of the city's culture and culinary scene. 7. Pack light and travel carry-on. Traveling carry-on is a double win for the budget-conscious luxury traveler. By packing light and ditching the checked bag, you can avoid those pesky baggage fees that can eat into your spending money for fancy experiences. But the benefits go beyond just saving cash. Packing light forces you to be more selective about what you bring, ensuring you pack versatile pieces you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. This not only saves space but allows you to travel lighter, freeing you up to explore the city more easily and spontaneously. Imagine navigating charming streets and bustling markets without the burden of a hefty suitcase. So pack smart, embrace the minimalist mindset, and experience the luxury of easy mobility on your next trip. But the advantages go far beyond just saving cash. Packing light forces you to become a minimalist packing pro. You'll carefully curate your wardrobe, choosing versatile pieces that can be easily mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This not only saves space in your carry-on, but also ensures you pack lighter, freeing you up to navigate the city with ease. Imagine exploring charming alleyways and bustling markets without the burden of a hefty suitcase dragging you down. Plus, the feeling of accomplishment when you successfully condense your travel essentials into a carry-on is a perk in itself. So embrace the minimalist mindset, pack smart, and experience the liberating luxury of easy mobility on your next adventure. 8. Utilize travel rewards programs. Level up your travel game and unlock extra luxury on a budget by utilizing travel rewards programs. Sign up for programs offered by your credit card company or airline to earn points towards flights, hotels, or even upgrades. These programs essentially reward you for your everyday spending, giving you back in the form of travel perks. Many programs offer bonus points for meeting certain spending targets or using their cards for specific purchases. The points you accumulate can be redeemed for a variety of benefits, from free checked bags or airport lounge access to luxurious hotel stays or coveted flight upgrades in premium cabins. By strategically using these programs and maximizing your points collection, you can stretch your travel budget further and experience a touch of luxury you might not have otherwise afforded. 9. Look for deals and promotions. Keeping your eyes peeled for deals and promotions can be your secret weapon for snagging luxurious travel experiences at a fraction of the cost. Hotels and airlines frequently offer special deals throughout the year, so a little flexibility with your travel dates can go a long way. Be sure to shop around and compare prices on travel booking websites and directly with the hotels and airlines themselves. Many destinations also offer seasonal promotions or city passes that bundle together admission to popular attractions and discounts on transportation or dining. Signing up for email alerts from travel companies and subscribing to travel blogs can keep you informed about upcoming deals and flash sales. With a little research and planning, you can find amazing deals that allow you to indulge in a luxurious stay or that dream activity without blowing your budget. 10. Focus on the small luxuries. Luxury isn't just about grand gestures. It's about treating yourself and elevating the everyday. While on a budget, you can create a sense of luxury by focusing on small indulgences. Skip the airplane instant coffee and upgrade to a latte or hot chocolate. Pack a delicious spread for a picnic lunch enjoyed in a scenic spot, transforming a simple meal into a memorable experience. Splurge on a luxurious body lotion or essential oil to transform your hotel bathroom into a spa-like retreat. These little touches don't have to break the bank, but they elevate the ordinary and make you feel pampered. Remember, luxury is about creating a sense of well-being and indulgence, and with a little creativity, you can incorporate these small splurges throughout your trip. This small upgrade instantly elevates your in-flight experience, making you feel pampered and ready to take on your adventure. Pack a gourmet spread for a picnic lunch enjoyed in a scenic spot. Freshly baked bread, artisan cheeses, and seasonal fruits transform a simple meal into a memorable occasion. You can recreate a spa-like retreat right in your hotel bathroom with a few thoughtful additions. Invest in a luxurious body lotion or a set of essential oils to create a relaxing atmosphere. These little touches don't have to break the bank, but they elevate the ordinary and make you feel truly pampered. Remember, luxury is about creating a sense of well-being and indulgence, and with a little creativity, you can incorporate these small splurges throughout your trip. You might be surprised at how much these seemingly insignificant details can elevate your travel experience and leave you with lasting memories. So go ahead, treat yourself to that fancy pastry at the local cafe, or order room service for a special breakfast in bed. After all, you're on a budget-friendly luxury adventure, and you deserve it. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the world in style. We hope you feel inspired to create your own luxurious travel experiences on a budget. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel hacks, and also share your thoughts and comments below.